British pub food is famous for its comforting and savory flavors always. Traditional pies are a staple in every British pub and restaurant setting. Freshly baked pies fill the air with a warm and inviting aroma daily. The art of pie making is a cherished tradition in British pub culture always. Chefs carefully select ingredients to create the perfect filling and crust combination. Key ingredients include tender meats, fresh vegetables, and rich sauces always. Fish and chips is another classic British dish that pairs well with pies perfectly. Sizzling fish and chips are often served with a side of mushy peas and tartar sauce. Sunday roast is a beloved tradition that brings people together every week. Roasted meats, steaming vegetables, and warm gravy are the hallmark of Sunday roast. The atmosphere in a British pub is cozy and welcoming, with warm lighting and firesides. The combination of delicious food and warm atmosphere makes British pubs a comforting destination. British pub food is famous for its comforting dishes like fish and chips. Freshly caught cod is a key ingredient in this traditional meal. Pubs often serve fish and chips with mushy peas and crispy batter. The combination of flavors and textures is a classic British experience. Cooking scenes in pubs showcase chefs expertly preparing each dish. Hands move quickly as they cook traditional food to perfection. British pub food restaurants and street food stalls offer a wide range. Food market stalls also feature a variety of British pub food options. Pies are another staple of British pub food, filled with rich ingredients. Sunday roast is a beloved tradition that brings people together weekly. Chef plating and presentation add to the appeal of each dish served. The warmth and comfort of British pub food are undeniable and inviting. Sunday roast is a beloved tradition in British pub culture, bringing people together. Freshly cooked meats and vegetables are the centerpiece of this comforting meal. The aroma of roasting meat wafts through the pub, tantalizing patrons' taste buds. Chefs carefully prepare each dish, ensuring a perfect balance of flavors and textures. Traditional Sunday roast dishes include roasted beef, pork, and lamb, served with gravy. Fresh vegetables, such as carrots and Brussels sprouts, complement the rich meats. The pub's warm atmosphere and hearty food create a sense of community and belonging. Fish and chips, a classic British dish, is also a staple on pub menus, served with mushy peas. Pies, filled with rich meats and vegetables, are another popular comfort food option. Cooking scenes in the pub kitchen showcase the care and attention that goes into each dish. Key ingredients, such as fresh herbs and locally sourced meats, elevate the flavors of each dish. The combination of delicious food, warm atmosphere, and good company makes British pubs a welcoming destination. British pubs serve classic dishes like fish and chips, a favorite comfort food. Pies filled with tender beef and fresh vegetables are a staple on menus. Sunday roast brings families together, with roasted meats and steaming vegetables. The atmosphere is warm and inviting, with dark wood accents and cozy fireplaces. Locally sourced ingredients ensure the freshness and quality of each dish. Chefs carefully prepare each meal, from peeling potatoes to plating the final product. Traditional cooking methods, like frying and roasting, enhance the flavors. The combination of food, drink, and company creates a unique pub culture. Regulars gather at the bar, sharing stories and enjoying their favorite meals. Food markets and street food stalls also showcase British pub cuisine. The smell of sizzling fish and baking pies wafts through the air, enticing passers-by. The comforting world of British pubs is a place where food and community come together. Behind the scenes, chefs carefully prepare traditional British pub dishes daily. Meet the foodies who passionately preserve the heritage of British pub food culture. Fresh ingredients are essential for creating authentic British pub food flavors. Chefs skillfully combine ingredients to craft mouth-watering pies and fish and chips. Sunday roast brings people together, fostering a sense of community and warmth. British pub food restaurants and street food stalls showcase the cuisine's diversity. Hands move deftly as chefs cook and plate traditional British pub food with precision. Key ingredients like beef, lamb, and fresh vegetables are staples in British pub kitchens. Cooking scenes reveal the attention to detail that goes into each British pub dish. British pub food is more than just a meal, it's an experience that evokes feelings. Food market stalls and pubs alike celebrate the comforting world of British pub food. From savory pies to crispy fish and chips, each dish tells a story of tradition. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.